What if Leica's next compact camera isn't just another update, but a quiet revolution hiding in plain sight? The photography world is buzzing again, and all eyes are on what could be the next big thing, the Leica D-Lux 9. Rumors are swirling, and while Leica hasn't confirmed anything yet, the signs are getting too strong to ignore. Imagine a camera small enough to slip into your pocket, yet powerful enough to rival much larger systems. Sounds impossible? Maybe not for Leica. Welcome to Gadgetverse, where we explore the future of imaging tech and the gear shaping how we capture the world. Today, we're diving deep into the whispers surrounding Leica's rumored D-Lux 9, a compact camera that might just redefine what portable performance really means. So, what's fueling all this excitement? Early leaks and quiet registration reports hint that Leica is working on a new model, and if true, it could drop sooner than expected. The D-Lux 8 arrived in mid-2024 with a 4.3 sensor and 21-megapixel resolution, already impressive for a compact. But if Leica upgrades that core sensor with a new generation design, we could see better low-light results, cleaner ISO performance, and richer, more cinematic tones than ever before. But that's not all. Creators today want more than just still photography. They want a true hybrid tool. The D-Lux 8 offered solid 4K, but now the demand is for 4K at 60 FPS, smoother motion, 10-bit color depth, and next-level stabilization for handheld video. If Leica brings these features to the D-Lux 9, this compact could become a dream machine for travel vloggers, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters who want premium quality without the bulk. Of course, speed matters too. One of the few complaints about the D-Lux 8 was autofocus, but rumors suggest Leica might be ready to fix that, possibly adopting Panasonic's latest AI-powered face, eye, and subject tracking system. That could make the D-Lux 9 faster, smarter, and more reliable in dynamic shooting environments, perfect for street and travel photographers. And let's not forget the lens. Leica's DC Vario Summilux 24-75 nil f1.7 2.8 has always been praised for its sharpness and character. Chances are, the D-Lux 9 will keep this iconic glass, but with improved coatings or optical stabilization to make handheld shooting even smoother. Add a faster EVF, maybe a tilting touchscreen, and stronger app integration through the Leica Photos app, and you've got a real content creator's powerhouse. If Leica also adds weather sealing, it would finally make the D-Lux line a true outdoor companion, rugged, reliable, and ready for adventure. That could put it toe-to-toe with rivals like Sony's RX100 which dominates the travel and vlogging market. But where Sony focuses on tech and speed, Leica brings emotion, design, and that signature look that photographers can't get anywhere else. In an era where smartphones seem to do it all, Leica's compact cameras continue to stand apart, not just for specs, but for the experience they offer. The tactile feel, the luxury design, and that unmistakable Leica rendering, all in a body that fits in your palm. The D-Lux 9, if real, could be the perfect bridge between convenience and craftsmanship. So what do you think? Is Leica about to change the game for compact cameras again? Or has the smartphone already won that battle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gadgetverse for more deep dives into upcoming camera tech, leaks, and hands-on insights. Because when it comes to innovation, we're just getting started.